Do you guys know what they do in America? They do slap tournaments.
Oh my god.
Slap tournament. I'll run the clip.
Oh, you're my boy, Blue! And then in England, they race cheese down a hill and break bones and get destroyed by rugby players. Nobody even gets the cheese at the end.
I'll run the clip.
So which one is more retarded? Racing cheese down a hill or idiots slapping each other?
Vote here.
Is there gonna be a vote option?
Yeah. Let's go. Yay! I'm a tiger.
Yeah, dude. Beautiful weather today. We should go hiking.
Yeah, we should. Do you want to go up Jilisan today? I heard it's really nice.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so today we're going to go up Jilisan, which is this really great mountain we heard about. And at the top you can see everything. It's brilliant. But first, we have to go get some delicious food. So it's your final day in Namwon, John?
Is it?
It is.
Okay.
We're leaving tomorrow.
Oh.
How have you found it so far?
Very basic. Not much out of it.
It is true. It's the simple life, John. It's
That's
the
what it is,
simple life.
yeah. The strangest thing is like, there's children,
Yeah.
and there's old people,
Yeah.
and like no one in between.
Ah.
And, like, where are they? What are they doing?
Yeah. Anyone who hits university age in Korea from this sort of place just ends up going to one of the big cities.
Ah, okay. And then they just stay there and they...
Yeah, because there's like jobs and the big universities and like
But then how do they...
fun.
Yeah.
So we were walking around and there was like, there's only a few restaurants near our hotel and none of them really had meat or anything. We were looking for a place with some meat. And this is like a really desolate area. There's like no one here. Then we came in this place and it's buzzing. Like, there's so many people in
Every single
it.
table has people.
Every single table. Which is just mad. And we're actually having something that I've never had before either, which is black goat soup. They've got the chilies and it's come out inside the dish like this. Big fan of that. So apparently you get the meat from here and you dip it in the gochujang and wild sesame. That's how you eat it.
Are you going to show them what we got?
I am going to show them what we got.
Check it out.
Okay, so this is the tongue. These are the side dishes. You see the cut up chilies, I like this. And then this is the ge with gochujang underneath it. And this is a piece of black goat meat. Okay bro, so this is both of our first time trying this one.
Yeah.
I'm actually
I'm
quite
pretty
excited.
It's funny, we were both like walking around all like zombies and then we saw it was goat and we were like, oh,
Yeah, we were both
spirits a
excited
little
when we
bit
said
up.
it was goat, yeah.
Let's do it.
Is that just sesame? That's lovely.
The meat is so tender.
That is really nice meat. I just want to try it on its own. It's almost like lamb. Less strong than lamb and a little bit more tough. Well, it is tender, but lamb is just super tender. That is fantastic. No wonder this restaurant is full. This place this is really good, guys.
Do you like broth? You like into broths?
Yeah. We eat a lot of broths in England. We eat a lot of stews.
I think I really like these hot pots because I take a long time to eat.
Yeah.
So with other meals, it kind of gets cold as I eat. But this is, it's been like 10 minutes.
That's perfect for you now.
It's still hot, yeah.
Because actually these are really bad for people who like to eat really fast.
Yeah, yeah.
Because you just can't, it takes too long to cool down. So for people like me, it's kind of frustrating sometimes. This gets 9 meals out of 10. Obviously it doesn't have potato, so it can't have 10.
Yeah, wow.
It's a good meal, dude.
It is so good.
I love it when you travel and you just have these little finds like...
Now that it's cooled off,
Yeah.
and I can actually taste the broth, this is actually slamming.
Yeah?
Like it's so good, yeah.
It is right, I told
Like it's like a little bit creamy,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
and
yeah,
like
it
still
is.
a little bit hot, and that's an awesome combo.
I think John's slowly coming around to the broth.
broths.
Yeah.
I usually just leave the broths, but there's
You
like
do.
a centimeter left in my bowl.
I've never seen you go at a broth like that before.
Yeah, it's really good.
I, of course, demolished mine. This is a new favorite for me. I actually really love this. I need to find a place in Seoul which does it good.
Yeah, you can't be coming out here all the time. So.
Yeah, I can't be coming to number one every time I want to eat it.
One more sip, chat. I'm gonna finish my broth. This is monumental.
Oh, he's actually gonna finish a broth! Can you believe it? Oh my god! This is the name of the restaurant. If anyone lives in Namwon, you must come here. Yum yum yum, I want some apple. Yum yum yum, you want some too. We're going back to Jilisan to go to Gyeonggaegok. It's got a little waterfall there as well. So.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Last time I came to Namwon, it was summer actually. So I swam around in the valley and it was amazing. But today's probably going to be a bit too cold for that. But brought shorts anyway. Watch out for forest fire, John. It's got a completely different feel further down here than it did at the top of the mountain. Feels much more like a wood than a mountain.
Yeah. That's what it's, I guess the smell of the barbecue, it smells like a campground.
There they are.
Nice, that means we get to walk up all these steps when we're done.
Yeah. Oh, this is a lot of stairs. This is going to be a nightmare to climb back up.
Where's the cable car?
Yeah, Chili-san, you need to get some cable cars, okay?
Where's some elevators?
Jump, bro. It's deep. You can do it. 3, 2, 1. Here's the waterfall. It starts up there. I want to find out how cold the water is. I mean, it's pretty cold. It's not as cold as Sokcho. I feel like the water in the sea. No, try it. Dude, try it.
What do you want about? That's icicles.
Yeah?
That looks sweet.
Yeah.
Not like clean water and still through it.
Yeah. How sweet is this valley, dude? Look at that.
Ooh.
That is sensational. Looks unreal, right?
Pretty gnarly.
Every day is a win. Since I was told that you don't want me, baby, you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to where they still you.
That's 1-0 for the good guys.
My path was a lot harder.
You want to go up or through? We're doing some rock climbing.
Rock climbing. Piece of cake. Oh, this is a cool little area.
We ate the goat today,
Yeah.
and now we're like goats getting across these rocks.
What? Oh my god, what the hell? Jesus, look at that rock.
Dude.
We gotta get to the top
Yeah.
of that. You're just about to say what I said.
It's not just a boulder, it's a rock.
It's not just a boulder, it's a rock.
This
Some
side doesn't look
natural
doable. We gotta get to the other side and
Yeah.
scout it. Yeah, we can get up there. That's the way. I think we can make that.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, the vineyard! Oh, But if we're both up here, how do we get a photo of ourselves?
If only we had something.
Oh my god!
Running around in circles, stuck in the same rooms and places, like swimming underwater.
And Rafiki's like, come banana, scotch banana.
We are back. That is where we started. There's the waterfall area. And now we have this lovely stairs to look forward to. Yay! 300 meters of uphill stairs. I am so excited. One step at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, race, 7, 8. I beat him. I won. Some cheating. You cheat. I gave my shoulder to cheater.